Welcome back to another episode of SPaG Series with Soaring High Tutors. Today we're talking about apostrophes, those curved punctuation marks that are tiny but deadly. They sneak into sentences, change meanings, and leave people arguing all because someone put it in the wrong place, or didn't bother using one at all. There are two types of apostrophes. The first is the apostrophe of possession, which shows who something belongs to. The second is the apostrophe of omission, also called a contraction apostrophe. That one is in charge of kicking letters out when words get squashed together. Apostrophes might be tiny, but they run the show. Apostrophes of possession show ownership. If Harry owns a bag, Harry gets an apostrophe. If one girl owns a hat, she gets an apostrophe too. Kind of like labeling your snacks so no one eats them. If the owner's name ends in S, like James or Princess, don't panic. Just add the apostrophe after the S, and walk away confidently, like you know what you're doing. If more than one person owns something, for example, all the boys, the apostrophe comes after the S because there are multiple owners fighting over the same cloakroom. But some plurals don't end in S, like women or children. In those cases, the apostrophe comes before the S. Here's a quick check. The apostrophe goes after the owners. If there is one owner, like one cat, we write cat's whiskers. The apostrophe comes before the S. If there are many owners, like 6 horses, we write horses' stables. The apostrophe comes after the S. So the rule is simple. One owner equals apostrophe before S. Many owners equals apostrophe after S. The apostrophe of omission is used when two words get squashed together, like in a boxing ring, and some letters get kicked out of the fight. The apostrophe then steps in and marks the exact spot where those letters used to be. That's why you plus are becomes your, and will plus not becomes won't. Now get ready for the ultimate showdown. It's versus it's. These two little lookalikes have been stressing brains for years. Hang around and you'll learn the trick that stops the chaos. Here's the rule. It's with an apostrophe is just a shortcut for it is or it has. For example, it's raining, which stands for it is raining. Or it's been a long day is the contracted form of it has been a long day. But it's, without an apostrophe, is all about ownership. It means belonging to it. Like, the dog scratched its ear. Here are some common contractions. Notice how the apostrophe is doing the job of a tiny grammar surgeon. Remove letters, stitch words together. That's it. Apostrophes are tiny, but they do big jobs. Put them in the right place and you're a grammar guru. Put them in the wrong place, and someone somewhere is silently judging you. You've learned the rules. Now make them stick. Visit soaringhightutors.co.uk for notes and worksheets with answers, all designed to help you master apostrophes. The link is given in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SPaG adventures coming your way.